guys, it's Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey, and today we have some really cool free upcycles of stuff that you would normally just throw away. We're going to make it into some beautiful decor, so stay tuned. You're just going to take any size can that you have. This is actually the size of like a tomato sauce or a tomato puree can, and I just removed the label. And then I painted it black. I just spray painted it. And then I went over it with a chip brush, which are just like the throwaway little dinky brushes that you can get, with some gray paint that I had left over. Always when I have like leftover paint that's just at the very bottom, you know, it's like not enough that you can really paint a project with, I will try to paint something. And cans are something that I've been doing for a long time. And everybody in my family saves their tin cans for me because you can get them, hang on, you can literally get them in all kinds of sizes, and you can make all kinds of cool things with them. The next thing I did was I got a graphic, and hopefully you guys can see that. This one says Frosty's Snowflake Cafe, and if you're really creative and good with computer things, you could probably make your own. I bought this one on Etsy. It was a download that you could, a digital download, and I literally bought it, and I've made several things with it. And so you just print it out on your regular paper, nothing fancy. I have like a super cheapy printer, gets the job done. You're definitely going to need some Mod Podge. No, you do not have to buy the industrial size. You can even pick up a small little container of it at the Dollar Tree for $1. So mine is a matte finish. You can also get it in gloss. You can get it in lots of different sheens, but I like the matte finish just because you don't really see where it's at. So after you get your can and you wash it out and you paint it, you've printed your graphic. Like I said, you can do any kind of graphic. Doesn't have to be in color. It can just be a word. It can be whatever you want. Cut it to the size that you want it. And then what I like to do, I've got the Mod Podge in here, is just get some on my brush, and then I kind of just go back and forth. Kind of getting it pretty good there. And then I literally just lay it down. And then you want to make sure that you get out all the bubbles. So you want to press kind of hard. And just go over it. And you don't have to have a special brush. I do have a Mod Podge brush that I got on Amazon. I will try to link that below in the description box. You can do it, you can actually even just do it with your fingers if you want to. But you want to make sure that you kind of get in those little grooves. Just go back and forth. Get it down into the little grooves. Hopefully you guys can see this. And then just so it says it doesn't have a sheen at all, but it does have a little bit. So I just go ahead and go around the whole can. And don't be alarmed, it looks like it's white. It's not going to dry like that. It will dry completely clear. So you don't have to worry. And you can do the top too or the bottom. The other thing you can do is you can turn these upside down. You can put them this way and put your graphic this way, and they're just cute little shelf sitters. They'd be really adorable, like on a tiered tray. It would be adorable. Okay, and then you're just gonna literally let this dry. That's it. Just let it dry, and this is done. And then I'm gonna show you what we do with it. And you can do anything you want with yours, but I think when you see how mine looks at the end, you're gonna love it. Now, our can is all dry. As you can see, it now has, this is all one piece. And like I said, you could use this, you could put candy canes in this, you could do a number of things, or you could literally just do something like this, where you just put a piece of greenery, a tree. This, I've had this for a couple years. I think I got this at Target in their dollar spot. So it was, you know, under $5. Easy peasy decor, right? Anybody could do it.
So there you have it, guys. Another easy trash to treasure Christmas decor video. If you liked this video and would like to see more DIYs, just click the subscribe button below and hit the little bell notification to be notified whenever I upload another video.